everybody, it's Laura. Gonna move this. I have not done a live video in a very long time, and I thought, hey, it's about time. I am back. So not even sure how live works anymore. It's been that long. But I was just getting ready to make one of my a heavy metal detox smoothie, and I thought, hey, let me make it with you guys. If you haven't read my story on my recovery from Hashimoto's and vitiligo, which is ongoing, but it's awesome, you can read it on my blog, lauralondonfitness.com, or just kind of look below this and you'll see it. But today I just came back from the gym and I was gonna make this heavy metal detox smoothie. I make it at least once a day, if not twice. So I thought I would do it with you guys. And it's so simple, and it's been one of the major things I've done during this recovery from Hashimoto's and vitiligo. And it's thanks to the medical medium. If you haven't heard about the medical medium, read his books, listen to his audios, oh my gosh, you really have to. So go Facebook medical medium right now, and you're gonna just learn so much information. So simple, I laid everything out here today. This is a half a cup of almond milk and a half a cup of water. That's just how I do it. So I like to put it in here. I just came back from the gym, so I'm gonna put in a little of my Purium vanilla vegan protein powder. I'm gonna put it in here. Just gonna put in 1 scoop. I've been using Purium for, I don't know, 15 years already. It's been a very long time. How are you guys doing today? Let me grab a spoon. Thanks for joining me. If you're just signing on, we're making a heavy metal detox smoothie. So now I'm gonna put in my spirulina, which is really, really great for detoxing heavy metals from the body. Awesome. Now, look how easy this is. Anyone can do it. These are wild blueberries. See? They come in this bag. They come in the frozen section. I can't see anything, so I'm gonna go, hello, Marina. It's good to see you, sweetheart. Sending love. Okay, these are wild blueberries. Very different than the blueberries you get in the clamshells at the grocery store. Look at, these are tiny, 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 and they're blue all the way through. These things are such a powerful, powerful food. I can't even begin to tell you. I keep coming up here. Oh, see who's watching. All right, today I'm just gonna make the video. We're gonna dump, it's about a cup of wild blueberries in there. Again, that's really great for detoxing heavy metals, full of antioxidants. Look how blue they are. They are so delicious. Next, I'm going to put in some spinach, because that's what I do. You could put in spinach, you could put in kale. Medical Medium has a whole video on how he does it, and I just kind of go with the flow and whatever I'm feeling that day. This is half a frozen banana. Give it some nice sweetness. Woo! Don't be afraid of fruit. You need fruit in your body. I've got these organic raspberries, so we're gonna put those in. Love it. Next thing we're gonna do is cilantro. Cilantro is really, really good for detoxing heavy metals from the body. Now, I used to hate cilantro, like get it away from me. Now I have grown to appreciate and love it because I know all the benefits that it does. So I put it in there. I'm gonna put in a little dulse. Dulse is a sea vegetable, and it's really high in iodine, really great for the thyroid. Woo! Put in a lot, that's okay. And then today, like I would put in all sorts of different things. Sometimes I put in maca, sometimes I put in ashwagandha, all these healing things that are so, so good for your body, guys. You've got to feed that body. And this is organosilica. It's silica. It's great for your joints if you're having some joint issues. It's great for hair, skin, and nails. It doesn't taste like anything, and you can read more about that. Here, I'll bring it up here so you can see. And I'll put the links and everything. Can you see with that glare? I'm not sure. All right. Hello, Philip. Hi, Cecilia. Nice to see everybody. All right. And now we're just gonna blend it up. This is my heavy metal detox smoothie. If you like it sweeter, you can always add in a little bit more banana, whatever you like. There's no right or wrong, but this is powerful, powerful stuff. And I'll blend it up. You guys don't really need to. Really quickly, I'll blend it up. Obviously, I would blend it up more, and I'll do that after the video. But even with that little blending, it's right there. Pour it in. I can take this with me anywhere. Delicious. It's cold. The cilantro is a little chunky right now because I didn't blend it up a lot, but it's really, really delicious. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. So again, I just wanted to pop on because I'm feeling really, really good, and I haven't wanted to get on camera for a very long time, and I didn't have the energy or the desire, but I'm feeling really good, and I'm back, and I hope you guys will join me. I'll be making some more videos and popping on. So thanks. I know you guys are there. I'm gonna come over and go a little closer. All right, so I can see. I love this Facebook Live. All right, everyone. I will see you guys again real soon. Bye-bye. I'm not even sure how to end it anymore. Oh, finish button.
Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you something really cool, how to make an awesome superfood smoothie. Now, all you need for this are a couple things. You're going to need maca powder, you're going to need hemp protein powder, cacao powder, and some frozen acai. Now, all of these are raw, except for the acai. It's been pasteurized, but it's still vegan, so it's really good for you. It has a lot of antioxidants. And in here we have some Rejuvelac. Rejuvelac is a probiotic drink that we make from fermented sprouted wheat berries, and it's really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the Rejuvelac, put it in the Vitamix, okay, and then we're going to take about, I take 2 tablespoons of maca, 2 tablespoons of hemp, and I take 1 or 2 tablespoons of the cacao powder, and the whole acai. So, and we're doing about, I would do about anywhere from a cup to 2 cups of the Rejuvelac. So if you never had maca powder, it's actually really tasty. If you can see it right there, it's like a whitish liquid. I mean, a whitish powder. It's very has a starchy taste to it, but I love the flavor. It's very earthy, or starchy texture, earthy taste. And the cacao powder, as you can see, is pretty good for you in every way. It makes you feel very happy. It's an awesome superfood. It's totally vegan, and I like putting these in my smoothie to supercharge me in the morning, especially if you have a high level day with a lot of things going on. Now, the cool thing about hemp protein powder is you can see that it's green. It has some chlorophyll in there, and it has pretty much all your aminos that you would need, and it's probably the healthiest protein you can have if you're an athlete like myself, and if you're very active and you live a very active lifestyle. I recommend these 3 powders. The Rejuvelac will help digest anything that is not digestible, and it's pretty much one of the best things you can take for your body. I'm just going to add, as a final thing, the acai powder, or frozen. As you can see, this adds taste and adds also just a little bit of more energy and superfoods for your smoothie. Now, this is optional. You can definitely add a banana if you want. I'm detoxing right now. I got the sniffles. It happens when you're doing a lot of raw food. You get the sniffles, and you'll detox from pollutants that are in the air and the environment. Okay, so this will help you also get over sickness and all that. And it's 100% vegan, which is great, and it's mostly raw, with the acai not being raw, but it's close enough. And you can add some bananas if you want, some organic bananas. I choose not to because I kind of just want to drink it as it is. And then what we're going to do is just blend it. Put it on high for like 15 seconds. And now we're not destroying the enzymes by putting it really high. The only way you can do that is if you do it for more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. If you actually start cooking with the heat of the blade. But even then, it's really rare, so I don't buy that stuff. So what we're gonna do is pour it out right there, and then we'll have an awesome superfood probiotic smoothie right here to get you started. And that's beautiful. All right, this is Tali from rawnakedfood.com. Go to my website and check it out. We're gonna have a bunch of exciting new things there. And go to my YouTube channel, Raw Food Cook, and give me some comments. I want to hear your advice, and I'm going to start launching some new products and definitely some new recipes that are more catered to the raw vegan gourmet. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.